Hi, in this video let me show you how you can clean the print head of your Canon MegaTank G4280 in case your print has smudges or maybe there is some colors missing or you have weird lines going on. So what do we need to do? Press the home button so we can all start on the same page. You're going to press over here the settings icon, maintenance, and we have two choices. First of all, we have the cleaning. This is a basic cleaning, and then we have deep cleaning, which is the same thing, but it will take more time and waste more ink. I'm saying waste more ink because every time you do a printhead cleaning, your ink level will drop slightly because it needs to use ink to do this cleaning. So if you do this many times, well, unfortunately going to waste a lot of ink. So I don't suggest you select deep cleaning unless there's some major issues with the documents you're trying to print. So once you press cleaning here, it will say eliminates unwanted smudges and patches from the print result. Continue. If so, you're going to press yes and the process will start. It will last a few minutes. You don't have to touch anything. The only thing that you need to do is to make sure you have some paper inserted in the back of the printer because it will print a page at the end so you can judge if the cleaning has been done properly or if you need to do a second cleaning, because you can go back here and do another cleaning. If you see that it's improving, but it's still not perfect, just do another one and usually it will fix the issue. You can also press nozzle check, yes, and it will print a piece of paper over here so you can judge if you're having issues or not with the printer. This is how it looks if your printer doesn't have any problems. As you see, all the colors, there's no weird lines, there's no, black ink everywhere, there's no stains. That's how it should look. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.